Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect or disconnect an Xbox account from your Riot Games account. So whether you're using Valorant or League of Legends or another game through the Riot Games client, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add or disconnect your Xbox account from Riot Games. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go up to the address bar and search for account.riotgames.com. You may need to enter in your username or screen name and password if you're not currently signed in. And you want to scroll down until you get to connected accounts. If connected, these accounts can access some of the data you provide to Riot Games. You can select the Xbox button right here, and then this will take you to the assistance from Microsoft Edge, depending if you're on Edge or not. But you don't have to necessarily proceed with this. I'm just going to select no thanks. But at this point, you would sign into your Microsoft account, which would then allow you to sync it with your Riot Games account once you accepted the appropriate permissions. And if you ever want to disconnect the account, just go back into the connected accounts area here and just disconnect it from the right side. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.